Hi guys, welcome to our 6 weeks glutes program. So our goal here is to grow the glutes, lift and scrubs. And for that reason, we are going to hit the glutes from every angle. Our first exercise is going to need a dumbbell. If you don't have a dumbbell, don't worry, you're still gonna get the results.
Three, two, 1, 0.
Exercise. So our first workout is going to be a kneeling squat. Start kneel, shoulder width hip apart, kneel, hip apart. From here, keep your hands up. We are going to sit on your heels, core tight, push that butt out, come up, squeeze the glute. No need to exaggerate. Sit on the glute. You're working minimus, maximus, all 3 glutes. All right, sit, squeeze and hold. And from here, we are going to try and focus on using the glute and squeezing at the top, engaging that core. For the most part, it's not really about lifting weight. If you want to grow your glute, the goal is to actually use the glute muscles and not, lifting pounds of weight. So if you can focus on using the muscle, I promise you, you are going to get the results. So we got 10 reps. We've done 5 so far. And if you want extra challenge, then you can pick up your dumbbell and put it up here. And you can finish your reps. And you got last one. Beautiful. Yes. Exercise. And from here, we are going to go into single leg glute bridges, because again, we are trying to grow the glutes and we are going to use the perfect workouts that actually hit the glutes. So we got 2 poses, glute bridges here. Keep your body in line, parallel to your knee, glute bridge. Extend that leg out, bring it back to the center, glute bridge 2 times, bring this leg back, extend, bring it in, glute bridge 2 times, bring this leg to be in line with your knee, extend it out, 2 glute bridges. And we're going to repeat this 10 times. This is 3, 4. So the goal here is to glute bridge 45 degrees, squeeze that butt at the top, bring the leg down, extend. So not only are we building the glutes, but we are also trimming the inner thighs and sculpting at the same time. You can't have a nice glute if you don't have a nice, inner thighs and outer thighs to go with it, or even the core, the nice abs to go with it. Not abs, but stomach to go with it. All right, got 3 more. Got 2 more. Got last one. Oh my God. So we're gonna go into glute bridge 45 degrees. Keep your butt off the ground. Bring that leg to stay in line with your knee, opposite knee on the floor, and bring it back. Glute bridge 45 degrees. Bring that leg back. Nice. Glute bridge. Extend that leg out. Remember, keep your butt off the ground. Do not allow it to touch the floor. Keep it off the ground the whole time. That's 3. Good job. 4. Butt is off the ground the whole time, guys. You're doing great. This forces your glute to work and put all the weight on the glute. That will help us to get to our goals. Got 3 more. Got 2 more. Got last one. Oh. Nice. Exercise. So from here, we are going to go into squat kick. We're going to stay here. We're going to squat, stay down, kick, kick, kick. So what happens here is, of course, we're working the glute, but also you have to remember, most women don't have this part of the glute. It's just something that most women, like, do not have. But anyway, our goal is to hit the glute from all angles, remember? And for that reason, we are going to stay down into a squat and kick to the side. Got last one. That was 10. Whew. So shoulder width apart. We're gonna stand shoulder width apart. Squat, leg kick. Stay down the whole time. Core is tight. Push through your glutes. As you go down, push through your glutes and heels. Kick to the side. Got 3 more. Got 2 more. Got last one. Woo! Oh, that was clever. Yes. Exercise. Our next workout. Stand shoulder width apart, hinge at the hip, hands on your ears. From here, we are going to hinge into a lateral step. Sit on this glute, right glute, pause 2 times, bring your leg to the original position. Hinge, lateral step, pause, and sit on your right glute. And we are going to do this 10 times. Our goal here is not only to hit all 3 glutes, but also to round and scrub. And this is why we are doing hinge movement, which lifts the glute, and this guy that actually rounds. We're hitting the glutes from 3 different angles. And like I said before, all workouts are very intentional. I put them together because I use them myself to build my glutes. And that's the fact. Got 3 more, guys. I think we did 5 so far. So remember to breathe and stretch that glute. Nice. Breathe. Push that butt out so you can lift it and round it. Got 2 more. Got last one. Beautiful. Nice. Good job. Oh, right. All right, we're gonna do that on this side again. Stand, shoulder width apart, hands on your ears, stand shoulder width apart, hinge at the hip. From here, we are going to hinge twice, step out, sit on this leg, push your butt out 2 times. Step in, 2, hinge. Beautiful. Push that butt out, sit on that glute, push it backwards. You're doing great. That's 3. You're doing good. We're doing only 10. Good. Breathe. Make sure you feel your stomach on your hip That's the hinge pattern. All right, and push that butt out. Sit on that glute. Got 4 more, guys. You're doing great. Got 3 more. Got 2 more. Nice. Got last one. Beautiful. Yes. Exercise. And our last exercise, what we will do here is we're going to do donkey kick, 2 donkey kicks, squeeze at the top, and from here we are going to kick to the side, bring it in, 2 donkey, squeeze that glute, hold it for 2 seconds, side kick, hold for 2 seconds, that was 3, squeeze and hold, that's 4, 5. 2 things that you want to do here, you want to squeeze your glute and hold it, and when you kick your leg to the side, squeeze your core to allow you to bring your leg forward, point your toes out. All these little changes or tricks, they all they make such a big difference. Got 4 more, guys. You're doing good. Again, point your toes out as you kick forward. Squeeze that glute. Got 2 more. This burns. It burns so good. Got last one. Nice. We're going to repeat on this side. Two donkey, 2 kicks. 1. Take your time, kick up, squeeze that glute. There is no need to rush through the exercise. The goal is to use the right muscle so we can reach our goals. Take your time and also breathe. That's 3, 4, got 6 more, guys. Got 5 more. Got 4 more. Got 3 more. Squeeze that glute. The last one. Push. Oh, it hurts so good. Whew. And this is the end of our workout, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next program. This is pretty much like, the beginner's glutes workout. And for advanced, I'm gonna be adding dumbbell, and I hope to see you then. Quick stretch. So here, since we did the glutes, so just come here, bring this leg in and lean forward. From here, bring this one over here, and this guy rounds, bring it in, and now sit forward. And here we're stretching the glutes because we just killed it. Beautiful. I'm going to do the same thing here. Bring this leg back. Bring this one about 45 degrees. And then lean forward. Stretch that glutes. Beautiful. And from here we are going to go into a child pose. Good. Breathe. Relax your hand. Just breathe. Nice. From here, we're going to rock forward. Squeeze your back, squeeze your glutes, and your head towards your butt. Feel that stretch on your lower back and your upper back. Beautiful. Got 2 more. Just rest for 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. We're gonna rock forward, squeeze that lower back, squeeze that glute, bring your head up to your chest. Beautiful. Breathe. One more. Nice. Rest for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. We're gonna rock forward. Squeeze our lower back. Squeeze glute. And from here, we're going to rest your elbow on the floor and just reach for your knee. Reach for your knee. Got 2 more. Last one. And from here, we are going to regain circle. So this guy allows us to open up, not just the back, but just open up the entire body. Good. Then rock back again. Another child pose into a stretch. Beautiful. Good job, guys. And from here, we are going to keep our legs together and reach for our heel. And from here, we are going to slowly bring your forehead as low as possible to touch your knees. Here, you're gonna feel the stretch on your hamstrings, on your lower back, arms, pretty much everywhere. Keep bringing your forehead to your knee. See if you can touch your knee with your forehead. Beautiful. Good job, guys. And we are going to circle our hands, circle backwards. We're going to clap forward, we're going to clap up, clap forward, and we're going to clap up. And we are going to say yes to everything that is good coming our way and no to anything that is not so good. We don't want no bad vibe, no. And yes to life, yes to being healthy, and yes to being successful in life. And we are going to smile and give you a hug because you killed your workout today and because something good is about to happen to you. Thank you guys so much for working with me, and I will see you in the next program. Bye.